You flush waste product from food and water out of your body every day. But how often do you clean your respiratory system and your lungs, which contains 300 million tiny air sacs that is called alveoli? I'm quite sure you rarely think about it. Namaste. This is Acharya Prem welcoming you to this channel with new video packed with full information and practical guidance. Watch this video till the end so you can get maximum benefit out of it. Let us get straight to the point. How often do you clean your lungs and your respiratory system? Many people would probably say they have never even thought about it. In today's video, I will guide you step by step through a simple yet very powerful breathing technique that will detoxify your entire body, boost your energy, and improve circulation. Before we begin this journey into powerful breathing practice, if you are someone who have high blood pressure, asthma, COPD, any chronic respiratory issues or circulatory issues, please consult a healthcare professional and take necessary precautions. The breathing technique that we are going to practice today is called fire breath or bellow breath. Traditionally, it is known as Bhastrika Breathing. This breathing technique is incredibly powerful. If practiced correctly and carefully, then it detoxifies your entire body and energizes every single cell of your body. Let us move on to the practice. Sit comfortably with your spine straight, aligning your head and neck with your back. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and release all tension and stress from your body with a long exhale. On your next inhale, raise both hands upward, filling your lungs completely. Then exhale forcefully, bending your elbows down beside your chest. This completes one round of Bhastrika. We will practice 3 sets of 30 rounds each. Let us begin with the first set of 30 rounds of this powerful inhalation and exhalation. After completing the first set, rest your hands on your knees and focus on slow, extended breaths. If this is your first time, you might experience a slight headache. Take a few deep breaths to relax. Now, let us continue with the second set of 30 rounds of Bhastrika. After this set, relax with 5 deep breaths. Practicing Bhastrika first thing in the morning will detoxify and energize your entire body. You will feel active and alert throughout the day. Now for the third and final set of 30 rounds, check your posture, keep your spine straight and ensure your head and neck are aligned with your back. Close your eyes and begin with a deep inhalation and forceful exhalation. Finish by relaxing with 5 deep breaths. Congratulations! You have completed your first Bhastrika breathing practice. Practicing this technique every morning for just a few minutes will bring transformative benefits. Let me know in the comment below how you feel after practice. And if you have any question or concern, feel free to ask me in the comment. Namaste for now. I'll see you in next video. Take care.